So I'm going to light this plant shelf up here. I've got an LED strip light up there already that I've got from Amazon years and years ago. Basically just needs to be replaced and updated. So I'm going to try the Merkury system you can get from Walmart. It's a strip light, 16 feet long, which should be just about the size of that plant shelf. I've already got plugs up there, as you can see. I've actually got them switched to the wall over there, which makes it nice. So basically I can flip the switch down here and turn it on and off. This new LED strip is Wi-Fi, and I can change the colors on it and everything. So I'm going to put that up there and we'll see what it looks like. And just for a reference point, this is what it looks like currently. And again, I'll show you the strips once I get up there. They look like little chiclets. They're just little small squares. They're exposed. They're not really covered. But that's what it looks like currently. So you can see they're just little squares. Again, it plugs in the wall, switches down below. And by doing this next one, as you can see over the years, these will just get knocked off. And again, there's no protection over top of them. The new strip has like a rubber protection over top of it to keep you from turning up the LEDs. It'll keep dirt from getting down in there, or little things from getting stuck on them. Alright, so there's what my new transformer looks like in the light strip. Again, this has a little rubber cover over it. Kind of keeps them protected a little bit better than the other ones were. Your transformer and your switch up here, since it's up on a plant shelf, basically just find something to cover it up with or hide it. If you have to cut this, which I did, you'll see there's little copper lines here with a black arrow drawn through. So when you get to the length that you want, you basically just nip it off. You can also extend this by using those also, but in this case, I've got it going down the end of my plant shelf and I'm done. So there's what it looks like after the fact. And again, with the app here, you can control the color code. So I can do a soft white, I can do a warm white, I can do a cool white. You can go into these color patterns and you can actually change the color wheel to whatever color you want. If I want to go green, I can do green. There's a scene button here at the bottom. And then you can pick a scene like Christmas. Sorry for holding the phone in one hand, camera in the other. And then it'll do Christmassy things. So basically I'm just probably going to have mine set to white most of the time. You can set schedules, timers, days, and change this to the way you want it. But overall, it looks pretty good up there. It looks better than the other one did. Now on my other side is still the original lighting, and again I've got to change that out to this one. I just wanted to try one first, see what it looked like, make sure I wanted to do it before I change them all out.